Regional politics natte. Geopolitics means Prithvi ki rajniti shanava se this called the geopolitics. China su geopolitics ki the number one ne. Number one the China ki maku jarum moi highway se sunta taji deiti shoidun ki jarum mane. China no so pami basi India sigi my powerful country on a kama kakali basi masakar nimdhan na bahona ba. India no su moi China bu usittaba. Mana tawrisa nakan pun mukta Myanmar khandi jambyu. Myanmar the Aung San Suu Kyi lokthokriba se China ki maki army general tharamaga nongalaga ma se army na coup tobani. Jambyu man pamase Myanmar ga India ga mari phajana leina base democratic ki countries ki system la badi India ga phajana mari lene gani like Bangladesh da leriba ate koi Nepal da leriba Bhutan da leriba. Although Makoi Bhutan led by king system, Moigi anarchism, labor moon, labor so, I'm present Chatay as a China Pamte. Even Mana question labor says Jamukandi Jimbu, Sri Lanka Box, Munge Tona, Angpaton, Sri Lanka 50-50, Han all along say Indiagi supporter limit later Yataba, no one in with Bikani, Labanina, Mukoi Charo Murusa to loan some money, Conil Toria. Madigia Mukam Higalaga Maldiv Island Kasu, Napo the total look to Koton Tori, Madi Pakistan Samulai, Afghanistan su motivate Toraga, Karika Tobu Jabakod, but parcel is success, parcel not success. India Najitor was regional nati, but internationalized the Machitahangre. Yes. Let's see. Internationalized Tahangre. Kanam Tajinchi India su Akway a Choba country Amadi economically very sound Orekpa. Armed forces, matik chana lirikpa, Mankusu geopolitics, Chobo Dolomalogan. Yes, up to some extent, Sri Lanka, the 1987, the talk to the promoter, India could success it. Even East Pakistan, Bangladesh, because Olan Bokot, India could success it. Otherwise, Messijam, the card Silady, Haji POK, Matang, the book, India, very much successful. Afghanistan, man, Tapan lady was India, so India, Pajan lady. Masapunam was a channel, Sapam, the Ba, a Teti country, but India was a Hangakidore, Haida Torpusu, Masi, Karashoy, than a Yaudi habits. My speculation, and I think I am right. Hajik Indiana Tori was a border, the Marupoka Asan Supandre, Sarkasan Sokajit Repandre. India's major role at the countries like US, like Akoye China, like Russia Gumbase, Tono worldly politics, worldly political arenas, a super important oina. Much lightning buggy, much lopamus toy, Torpatanja siga. Hoi Mohina Indian Army or Akoye Indiagi undergrounds, Mayam, Labor Punamak, Maku Sinsa motivate Toraga, Akoye. Hajiki China actually Myanmar game the lady but music siga more underground since you tengan but couldn't but even innocent I am very clearly municipal. India government na Swani Kuki Lalu sing siga Mubu Sijan Nare Hive say this is as per the statement of the nation I am. According to Niribus Odumatni. Adunamasi India government's geopolitics kara kak one so learning but later was a legadabni. But the approach is not good. Manipur is burning. India ki states, I am living the my states, the burning people are killing and people are butchering. Akoi lambi thong lerik taba nakan pun makna tawta pusalak na piktaba utang bi mayam laga koi u pambi chosu chatharuk ti to bu khop pun makse makoni is the government of India using them haibu wahi amalai. Adu kari gumanatri haibu tarwa then why not? Jitendra na panbigi. What is the role of the suspension of operation, the Ladyba? This terrorist Punamak Nomai Punamak seized the Dodana. Why Matamono Harapujai? Nomai Punamasemaku Joling Garden Lady, Maseque Paide Cotaidana. Modimatam, the Nuina Hel Libra, Nuna Nomai and Pusala, Manum and Pusala, Tamamasina could claim the Paide Cotena, Matundu no Utking I Libra. If not Karigino, government of Indian suspension of operation the No Michigan 2003-400 sophisticated arms and ammunition need was why government of India, why you are not taking action? Can I presume? Apna barotri de rahe hain unko? You are supporting them. Can the Prime Minister lau jati? Prime Minister no comments for the Manipur issue. Home Minister no comments. Are Manipur ko tukra karne nahi the kari wata no hai sibo. Manipur se tukra to gane khanbiram bro. अदुन मणिपुर को टुकड़ा करने कभी नहीं देगा, ये करी अर्थन से दी अदुदि मणिपुर से भारत सरकार ने थुगाई के हर से यू कैन नॉट भारत सरकार एंड वी विल नॉट अलाउ इट टू हैपन इट टिल आवर लास्ट ड्रॉप ऑफ ब्लड वी पीपल वी मणिपुर पीपल विल प्रोटेक्ट इट एंड विल डिफेंड इट अदु हाइबिगन भारत सरकार नको अदु चौरबा इंडिया की वर्ल्ड की मन नंबर सेकंड थर्ड तलिब आर्म फोर्सेस में पावरफुल कंट्री अदु स्मॉल थिंग हाइबम थोकते नकोय अच्छा थोइब इशू पुनम से हजिक यू आर सोलली रिस्पांसिबल भारत सरकार लुप अमन ngase बौसिबन अपपत तौरी खोली पुनमक why the issue has been taken up in the UN, why the issue has been brought up by being supported by the American Baptist Council Church, only religious group ne I have a full person knowing a pork tringing among the Miu Mayam 9 from 1956 Nagaland pork tringing among the Aimodi Mafam de Lerikpane insurgency ke first ahamba horupatan jadigi I 3rd January 1956 ke Lerikpane I sukam na ban din sukam na ba dona gari gyal ma totally chaos horup matam de horupmani adun insurgency ke problem hai bisa koi khangi why people love the Nagaland Nagaland insurgents book why people love because there is a mass support mokoi reason says must reasonable oibra have India government se realize tawi otherwise mass support taruktrabadi that groups insurgent groups is totally failed they will become a dockite they will become a karihina okay senseless persons or kane adra तौरी पुनमसी भारत सरकार न तौलिब चुमी नो से सुपर पावर ओयद तालक पने I am being an Indian I am proud that India your idea but your idea is not being fully and very beautifully it is not being implemented na koi ye ro now called special bureau makoi su kayam noi plan masin noi ye no masin noi kanoni akoi na happen no policy any matang na to but this should be well evaluated well assess what would be the outcome in future but don't play the game divide and rule nasagi jumdal liba sagi me mukul liba say you try to restore peace asang sab
okay babung here one big question babung very recently India ki all over the national media have tai report to give news amadi kaino have kan the India ki top anti terror body mo India ki National Investigation Agency NIA gi charge sheet amakak thangatchibase NIA gi charge sheet ta pabung equally aware of birangmani but to remind the viewers habatai national media sing dagi ni here I quote NDTV ai ni quote tawzabaze masida hairije transnational conspiracy ama North-East region especially Manipur se destabilize tawnaba aduga Manipur da leiba hojiki conflict se hena version oinaba hena fibam phandanaba amasung ekoi Manipur da leiba issue se exploit tawnaba gi pandam da haiba tare Myanmar da west over lalho loop haiba tare maroi na moina lalho ani gi maming palli makoi lalho loop ani gi maming se palli masi ekoi Manipur gi lalho sing ni haideba lalho loop ani sida NSN IM na logistic amadi makoi ki support mayam ama help to have ni makoi help to busi moiji Myanmar dagi na Manipur phawo chatna bagi lambi ge passage NSN IM na P aduga logistic support so P have ni masida ammunition arms mayam asi puraga chatpa yana bagi aduga lambi do P haidana National Investigation Agency NIA ge charge sida ya mayek sing palle la ibu wafam di ngasai kuki inpi Manipur na makoi gi ngasi thoki ba press statement jida palliba lalho base outfit che aduga then mamagi kene vi ga amak khuthok na bada yawe hariba lalhoba medari report oriba lalhoba simak hariba NIA ge charge sida maming palli NSN IM na mating pangi habisida sigi big questions in sida pabung observation na ai hangningi and ani subada pabung sida interestingly NSN IM na masigi ikan kana statement na mathoi NSN IM na NSN IM na thoi ibe statement sida here I got NDTV amo aina quote tawzaningi basi maramdi masi it is very sensitive aduna aina quote tawde yadabagini NDTV da mo aina quote tawzaning basi NSN IM na mokoi statement jida palli basi hariba lalhobasi chahi kuntaret for 27 years government of India ga peace talk tawga lakhibani aduga India government na Myanmar da west tawba lalhobasing maru ina palli basi Kuki National Army B Kuki National Army another V and People Defense Force hariba lalhoba ahum sida proxy war amada India government na Myanmar da west tawba lalhoba ahum sida mating pange habasina NSN IM gi statement pamo NIA gi charge sheet and again NIA gi charge sheet chigi madugi response oina NSN am na piriba masigi statement ani si pabung kamay
ying every possibility haja man man da tholi basa bi China na so aba kuju kula loin pirang mani masa mo geopolitics mo supremacy mo dominant gi tamaktani. Yes, India also playing it, India cannot deny it. Akuch superpower da kuch talibani na adu samna hairaga haji piri be allegation da na hairi base. I think this is an established fact. Masa akoi na haibana geopolitics the India, you play it. Although when your states within Indian territory, when it is burning, must you have to solve the go. No koi ki ati foreign countries the labor, no nothing tauning ba, this is your own wish. You are a big country, you are a superpower. I know. You do it. Andok amadami engine, amadami indok, amanamu daito kotok na to, but these are all silly things. No ne toriba policy do successful or it is well and good. But particularly a community or a tribe sibu makui be shijan bugum tauraga mapam punmuk taku the wahal liba atei the shawahal liba masidi tobigan highway watani akuigi the miras na hangbiri bodo I have a strongly supported masit tori punmuk or even pepper the phone or NSN I am my source thingy high issue NSN I am is also another veteran Moisu, India government of mighty NSN I am and fighting towards a mighty country gani Moko so what is sanity? She what is issue listen ma pai yari mukoi. Yeah, give and take her thorough listen was a karapagani. Adu sometime NSN I am government of India about relations to lady, Hadisu lady, Adu Moko issue, Moko dual game, triple game, upper issue. Even NSN I am Moko issue country again was a Talibani and you never know. After a few years may become a separate country also, you never know. Same thing aje cookie in peace and a Taliban is the same thing aduni India government amada support to amar support I don't deny it, must have been doing it. Must geopolitics no supremacy tanarak pungaktani atubu lalong the shoira ba if your plan is foil, if your plan is fail, then some nariga koinam wall the nungama tharaga karkana thaga like theater with the nung the wall the palur a my disapan majabado adu thokadra aduna first thing is India government you do whatever you feel like. You are a big country, mighty country, economically, armed forces wise, everything, world respect you. Adu you restore first in your own house. 142 crore ki manung da akoi ne thoiba sagai aniga tahulliba se kanana torino you know better. If I'm not mistaken, are you trying to propping up a particular community? The way you are using it, what people alleging it, the tone upon the to India the nangi yum na mai chaiba se, akoi thamoi the mai chaiba, akoi masin unabuja driba. Who are those people? You know that they are illegal immigrants. Only original cookies as per the Chihitaragi Mamangi record to only maximum 66,000 kartani. Illegal immigrants now it is almost like 5 lakhs. How to deal it? Manipur picture mapam siga akwital mai tumo accommodate tawgani. No, we cannot accommodate it.
Okay, po.
Aduna akun hajari bana. You take any action, you must play a pivotal role in the world arena. Tawil, you play it. We know. Yeah, and you should play it. And being an Indian, I am proud of it. But the macha issue lady was try to solve first because we will be able to help you.
That's an appeal from Pabung Sonamani. I made a mulak second. Pabung the Laxening Wafam, Nasaivo the live, Magi chronology of events, Pabung Subsanjere for the viewers. Ahamba there, Hokiba Megitang, whom the Manipur conflict later. Conflict is the more vector when a present or say a mighty community and cookie community, Sigi community and Isne. Now, what happened here? How's it forward the international platform? Starting from United Nations, European Union, Adugatonga the country, Gi or Magi Foreign Ministry statement, including India, the Labor, United States ambassador for the Magna, labor issue with the United States and low way of nobody have now मसीगी इकान कानदना लेरिबो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट सिदा लालहोबगी एलिमेंट मयाम अमा चंगसलकपगी वाफम अमुक पंचलकरे पंचला कांदा होजिक्सी हानना अखोय मणिपुर मनुंगदा नोंमैजे कापनबा हाइबा तारे अगेंस्ट द अखोय वॉलंटियर्स सिंग नत्रगा मिलिटेंट सिंग सुमाइना नोंमै कापनबगी वाफम ओइना याम्बा मीडिया रिपोर्ट ने अखोय उरिजे नाउ मणिपुर गी मपान दा हाइबा तारे that too not in India. That was in a foreign territory. Myanmar gi territory gi manung chana even Manipur amadi Myanmar gi Indo-Myanmar border gi saruk sing yauri to bodu hauji ki oina live sidi Myanmar gi territory da nongmai kapna rak paneba kuki outfit singa loina Manipur gi outfit singa ani si nongmai kapna rak gi statement ni aduga ngasi si haugiba me gi tang taret amasung nipan dagi according to where gi matu ina nongmai kapna baje hor evene hadaki face gi oina madu gi mamangda nongmai kaya hana kapna gi ba leire hadana ko ngasai tamo jitendra na madu thamgre even conflict talk to mamang the issue now handaki oina me gi tang taret amasung me gi tang nipan dagi nongmai kapna rak pasina ngasi phawji nongmai kapna baje leptri nongmai kapna baje da mapung oina yawi hairiba ji ekhoi Manipur gi lalhobo mayam ami yaure hedana masida palli panbasida mapung oina ekhoi media gi report according to NDTV the Hindu amasung the wire gi matung inadi PLA sinani yamna prominent oina masida yaure actors ji masigi media da palli report sida aduga another yamna interesting oiba part amana masida NSN IM gi involvement sin in favor of the so called sida hairiba mighty outfit mayam sida Myanmar da West over mighty outfit haidana kuki in pin su palle medan su palle masida mating pangi bazi NSN IM no mating pangi habi wafam ni masigi ikan kanadana la ibasi NIA ki charge sheet ama lakre then NSN IM gi matu ki response ama pabung amuk lakre sigi response la aba matungda ngasi sina latest happenings ji kari no har kanda kuki in pi ki statement ni kuki in pi na particularly ikugi mighty outfit based in Myanmar haibani aikoi masida palibase PLA sini aina masi haiba ani thingraba outfit se masi here I quote the press statement of Kukin P released by the Information and Public Relations Secretary sida aina quote tawjari base haiba PLA si Manipur da changkadore moi changpasi Manipur government na mating panga changkadobuni adu masi central government na athubu matamda Indian authorities na intervene to haibani adugo karigumba intervene to hudu bataragadi masina Manipur da leba conflict sida hena version oiragani aduga kuki singi safety amasung security de yam chauna kaiba pon hebani the whole chronology of the events ngasi fogusi pabung sini pabung swai the central character khara lai pabung interestingly hana ekogi lalhobugi ofam jide hanjin panagre but now NSN IM ki factor ama ekoi central element oin pusalak paje pabung kamaini yengi pabung masi wahan thok masi ki interpretation si pabung di yamna kupna India ki intelligence agency me amu closely work to minar mabani pabung na yengba dimension ya taini yengba kidang khena ni pabung how do you look at it
central government or government of India be careful hajiki lalhob group akoi de landarei bese I would like to clear this conflict is not only mite natte Manipur se destabilize to ki haidana every section of people from Manipur, the 35 community, 34 community, of course, solidly will have to stand it. Number one, government of India say, "Ashigi chin kuki jogi musing say, kiamuk jamna expertise oige haibad all over the world. They have created a scenario, maybe with the crowd funded. They have an influence like akoi Israel the liba Jew dauna." Makoi mayam punamak sinam masi wrong narrative se piraga tauriba even I am afraid government of India bu this chin kuki jogi this educated people who are trying to destabilize it they are playing drama and India government is being used manam di makoi na haiba ngakta loina taba adu akoi na haiba tadriba se akoi gi ashon beso yamna lei reason being our government see headless chicken baptala bane aduna headless chicken urpo tarabadi state nam phare prajamayam di akoi di masi akoi we have got a limitation because we are not akoi terrorist minded then the state government she has to come up she has to project the ideas she has to play the avatar role laibido hajuma torku matam torbajani this chin kuki jo I don't blame in one way मकोई मयाम की मानव की फत्तबद मानव अफबद मानव और कोई अमतनी मस्से कोई कंट्री सेम दब जाते ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड मकोई मीसिंग चाइर लेरगा पैसा ने यूज तौरगा even influence the Wamioi Punamaksalun Honorable say. In one way, I thank them because of their solidarity to destabilize the Manipur and India. India government, you should also thank. Madam, the India government is kange. Hoi lan taruba ani tarbadi ama ashun base namthaki haide mai mawajakha loba tabra. Haide India government, you play your role, your pivotal role, you play it. But the thing that you will have to work very, very sincerely. Just imagine Manipur, the India government. हम भी आपकी तरह स्वतंत्र थे, हम भी आपकी तरह आजादी थे, हम भी आपकी तरह सरास्त्र थे. क्या आप भूल गए इंडिया गवर्नमेंट? आज आपका भारत के साथ हम शामिल हुए, हम भारतीय हैं. Don't you like it, India government? We want to be an Indian. We respect the every community. But why our state is to be destabilized? Most probably that you have given too much weightage on these people. Is it not the right time yet that you have allowed to kill the several hundreds people, those who are innocent? Are you going to say that still the war has waged by Manipuris? Government of India, you come out very clearly. Or who waged war? Although knowing a period of weightage say, मीन वर्ल्ड पुनमक्स चल वर्ल्ड माले में ताबरी पुनमक्स कोई खर फत्तब खर हौदब याद्रे नत्रबुद्ध कोई खांग ngамद्रे. As I said, Manipur government is a headless chicken हाइबदो पावर करीम तल दो उपाय लेत्रे. अदुना कोई मो लोथो कुछ यादे हजी लोथो उतारे हजी मो अति तो पल्ला नमु तरोकनी. अदुना इंडिया गवर्नमेंट आई मसे होली आई ब्लेम देम. तौरी पुनमसे इंडिया गवर्नमेंट के प्लान दि लई लोइना अदुबु समना हरेगा मिजोगी द अखोई बेम्बू डांसन अम लेदनको याम फजब जेंगबदा लिसाबे सिंग पाखंग सिंग न जगोई साबो खोपति याबा खैतन शोबे मखोंगी माइगी कांगदो कालहुदो तन मखोंग चपछनगी दना वान चप्पद मनी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट यू आर आल्सो गोइंग टू बी ट्रैप्ड. This is what we feel it, and you see that you are going to suffer it. India government means our government. We are not anti-Indian, we are Indian. You have made us to feel as an anti-Indian. Madam, the shoyi be punamase kanana lali landes, you know better, but still you are trying that not to know. Why? What is the reason? क्या तकलीफ है भारत सरकार आपका? आप हमें क्या अलग थलग करने चाहते? तो हमें आप पुश कर दो, सारा मणिपुर का आप अलग कर दो, हम फिर दोबारा हम स्वतंत्र हम होने चाहते हैं. Why India government you are playing this divide and rule policy? Who is right or wrong? Is it necessary to tell you India government? क्या आपको क्या समझाने होंगे हमें? No, you are playing a mischief, India government. We are not happy, only you, India government. No, let's have a policy as in mighty Indian. You play it, but don't try to destabilize, don't try to wrongly target who is not in fault at all. Jimbo, Haji Moim, Chin Cookie John Highway Tamakta, Mukogi airport se muhai haji ak government of India civil aviation laktana survey tawre immediately they are doing it. Moinai ko lambi ko Churachandpur sorry Kampupiti ko Churachandpur ko directly checkani this Manipuri people this within their area. Are within their area, our area, your area, what is that? Manipur belongs to every section of people. How can you say that your area is your forefather have acquired or they have been ruling it? No. This only Manipur king and the Manipur people were ruling it. Aduna Minas Singh Hairbada, Akoigi Lenga Kimako, Government of India, Moigi Lamchat Sakara, Atopa Wakanda Pui, Noina Masa counter Tobotai, Indian, okay, India government, Nokoni Masi, Achumba Service and Noin Potopam Tai, Akoi Sumana Navy Punamus Sipunamusa, you won't know Queen, Ganta, the Noquin, Amadumu Chakto, Amana Chakto Torga. Ultimately अपना घर को जलाए आग इसको बुझाए कौन? भारत सरकार. हम कोई शीर बनी न कोई शिजावनी शीर तो बनी अदुना
finally पाऊंगा मोहना इन्हें लक्षणिक बजे ngसागी स्वाइदा इकोगी तंपाक के आउटफिट नि हाइदना इको प्रोजेक्ट तौर इबा हाइतारे द सो कॉल्ड मोय हाइरि बजे लालहो लुप अमा याम कन्ना starting from NIA then India की national media मैम and after all ngसागी कुकी इन पीना पुखलेजे हाइरिबा लालहोबजिगी मसिगी फैक्टर जे पबुंग कमाइने उबी हाइदारे मरमदि पबुंग जे अखोगी होम अफेयर्स यस
group protected who protected
okay again pabung haiba lalhobaji ga lalhoba ani gi wafam ne ina moru impung pusaning is amana NSNIM ko asagi aina yerai code haiba tare the way that NDTV code orga de ikoi gi PLA ko ngasai gugi NP gi statement ji jo ina mu code orga de PLA People Liberation Army haidana manipur gi lalhoba ma Myanmar da lei haiba outfit hauji mu nomai ka na base dam kan engage to haiba lalhoba je masigi wafam amaga loina NSNIM gi see how the conflict the NSNIM was nowhere in the conflict since 3rd May. But now NSNIMZ now it becomes a central character. Manipur ki mapande NSNIM gi wafum ji am chawna yakhali yeba. Ani si gi wafum ji pabung kamai ni yenge sini pabung.
Jegbiu. NSNIM also outlawed haji peace the lakpai tamak ta khujuklai thadoi or moh shanti ni haibi tong tani. Adu they are out and out, they are outlawed, and makoi ki feeling who can stop underground sing mukhui machine so loina money who can stop it NSNIM ga PLA ga matang do loina money adigi koi RPF khang de UNLF khang de punamukas mo loina money ad matang do loina money who can stop and who can set up say example akoi chin cookie yoga akoi yanade hain haire I have a lot of my top ranking senior officers chief secretary ma'am ma'am ay yam lulutini ma'am punam ay gi manu colleagues ma'am lady. That doesn't mean that I'm totally against of the chin cookie Joe. Nothing. I underground NSNIM and I don't play fun with this and with these people. Moi yam tobung ngambani. Makoi underground masen moi masen so moi group loy money. Matang na manadu madudi my issue gi base ki matang dalai. This cannot be refuted. Sheng Niger bada. And there is nothing wrong. And that doesn't harm the government of India. Why NIA moi finding the according to their speculation, according to their findings or kind of urupuja, but that has to be proved, and that is the beyond the ambit of the India. Tawdi base, ashini tawdi base. The India government you will have to play very cleanly and very early as possible. Shape your own country, India government. Shape your Manipur first. If you think that you want to save the Manipur, you do it. Mayam todi pulun sa kanan lali landi hai pulum your special bureau, your IB, your your okay agencies pulum loin lampel the loin lady bunny. You are getting every day, every moment your report. Still government of India, are you not satisfied? Still you want to blame that Manipuris, we are in fault. How can you say that government of India? Kanan tahuli pulum say, can we presume that government of India you are behind of killing us? Meaning angry base we do not know. No kanim interest be the nakui lives and shape to being an India government, being an Indian, we people, we are not protecting, you are not protecting us. Who is responsible? It's not the government of India. Adu amarum dun nakui musu dun thaduk thammi adi asondam hoigi chin cookie jona hairi punamak no hine lone you consider them, you take it as a gospel truth. तब तो आपके भरोसा हम आपका ऊपर भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. हाय वही हम ले.
One final question with pamung just 1 or 2 minutes pamung conclusion PVO cookie in P na ikogi thongla iba press statement je ikogi central government ki intervention na athu matam da ikoi Manipur gi border da ikogi hariba lalhoba sing ase Manipur da changsala kadore hariba lalhoba sin kari umma Manipur chang taraga de Manipur da hujik leiriba issue si da yam hena aggravate toragani and again leiriba situation je hena exploit togani masina India gi interest affect togani at the same time cookie peoples ki magi safety and security de yam chauna akaiba pigani habagi wafam ma innocent lives mayam mangbagi akiba lei aduga magi past record ta hariba lalhobasina commit tokiba thodo otok mayam pallaga hairiba masida cookie infina thama iba cookie gi people gi safety and security da awaba mayam thingara pa ya habagi wafam je pom kamai yingbi
jenglu mihat pamina man kariye phathabu man togudegine adu bharat sarkar mami du usalag loi lauri ne moina pambase moi adigi thajaliba khochelwi tawri se moi ashoiba lekin moi ashoiba de amatta moi haidri se uredana madam de strong moi protection tawdana moi defend tawdana kugi chingoina nakna thamibe se bharat sarkar ngai do aduna muchin cookie jona cookie who is cookie NP मोबो इवन की इक्वल मोई ऑथोरिटी रे मोने ngang isubo adu bharat sarkar de moi logani mo shoidana maram di huji ki matam siga matang siga moina koi manipur se koi sungeng yaning de. So I urge you and I asked all the 34 communities from Naga community diga horo koi punamak akoi manipur koi kandabu jade manipur na koi gini akoi gini manipur foreigners de lakpa myo singi de natte chin ku ki jo Mama the 1961 gi mamang da lakwa punamu you are all indigenous or you are all Indian 61 matung da lakwa punakti they be driven out adu tawdi punamu se bharat sarkar da loine lei mase mone analyze togudabni moine analyze the hudo de ngashi mi hat pa saruk ok masing hingal ko punamu se this is due to absolutely failure of the government of India. Now security advisor of Manipur, sir, may I bring it to your kind attention what discussions we're making. We are a small fry. Are you little listening it seriously? Who is right, who is wrong? You are the chief, you are the commander in chief of Manipur security. Now you may like to evaluate, you may like to assess the security advisor. I personal appeal and I personal ask you to evaluate it, and you may play the role whatever you feel best. Don't kill at least the Manipuri people. Have you no tamjage?
Okay, Pabung, thank you so much.